South College Library Tutorial, APA 7th Edition, Paper Formatting Basics. Part 6. Different kinds of sources. The basic reference entry for a book has the title in italics. The name of the book's publisher goes at the end. If the book has an edition number, put it in parentheses immediately after the book title. If the book is an ebook that can be accessed online or has a DOI, put the URL or DOI in URL format after the publisher at the end of the reference entry. For referencing a specific chapter of a book, list the chapter title in sentence case followed by a period. Then put in followed by the book title in sentence case and italics. Finally, put the page range for the chapter in parentheses immediately after the book title. If the book has an edition number, include that in the same parentheses in front of the page range. For referencing web pages, list the title of the web page in italics, then provide the URL that links directly to the web page. If the web page you're referencing contains information that is prone to regular updates, such as medical information, include a date of retrieval. The date of retrieval should be listed in month, day, year order. For referencing journal articles, list the article title in sentence case followed by a period. Then, list the full journal title in italics and in title case. After the journal title, list the volume number in italics followed by the issue number in parentheses immediately after. Next, list the page range and end it with a period. Finally, include the article's DOI in URL format or the URL that links directly to the article. Some journals use article numbers in place of traditional volumes, issues, and page ranges. In this case, just put article followed by the number in place of the traditional information. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact library staff or check out the library's APA 7th guide.